Hello, we are going to draw this simple home in AutoCAD. This is home one. First thing, go and save your file. So you need to click on this red A and go and save your file. I already saved this here. See, I already saved this. Second, you are going to set your unit. So make sure the mouse look like this. It means that there is no command, or press escape and type UN, unit. And here it's decimal. I'm going to, for this, select meter. Press OK. So it means that the width is 108 meter, 180, and the height of the home is 50. I press on this plus sign and start drawing. I want you see this better and make my line thicker, so type line weight, select line weight. Here make sure display, check mark display line weight, and I select a thicker line. Now you can go select line. You can type line anywhere. You get line. That's what doesn't matter. So specify the first point. I'm going to select first point, and look at here. It's not perfect horizontal. So escape. Do some setting. Make sure that your auto mode here is on. And now again you can click enter to go to the last command and type 180. If it is too long, it's long, so you with mouse wheel and pressing on mouse wheel you can pan it with, you can see right here. I am pressing on mouse wheel to pan it. Also you have mouse pan, zoom, everything here as well. Again, whenever you see your mouse like this crossed little box in the middle, it means there is no command. If you press enter, it goes to the last command. Last command was line. And now you need to go to end point. If you want to be able to see this little green square, you need to go down here and in object snap, click on the arrow and make sure that end point, I check mark end points, midpoint, center, intersection, extension. For now I check mark this because I need this. Escape. Enter and click on here auto mode on, so it go straight, either complete horizontal or complete vertical. And other number is 50. And then escape to get out of here. You can continue make a box, but I want to show you how to use offset tool. So offset tool is here, this one is offset, or even you can type offset, and it says you need to read that. It will say offset distance. Offset distance is 50 from this line to up is 50, 50, and select the object to offset. It's this one, and there is two choice, offset down or up. I want to offset up, click. Also you can, after clicking again, it go to offset, select the object, in, out, but this time it's not 50, this is 180, 180, enter, down. Okay, so we have this rectangle here. Now we need to add roof. We can see that there is overhang 10, overhang 10, and the height here is 5. You can read this, here is 5. And okay, let's go and use offset more. 10 out. You can either draw a line from here, 10 out, enter, and 5 up. Okay, and from here, escape. If you look at the model here, we don't have the angle here, but we know that the top of the roof is 113 from the midpoint, in the middle of the building. So go to line again. This time make sure in object snap midpoint is check mark. Okay, and because we are not going to move vertically, so make sure that auto mode is off, so it can go any direction. Escape. And from here I press enter or select line, select here, you need to go up, but wait a moment, we don't know the angle, so as I told, midpoint make sure check mark, and go to line and hover your mouse, don't click, just hover your mouse. From here you see this square until you see a green triangle. It means that this point is midpoint. I want it move straight up. Either you can turn on your auto mode or go to polar tracking. See this little circle with angle is polar tracking, and check mark 30, for example 60, 90, 120, or anyone that has 90. This one has 90, I use it. midpoint. See, if the angle turn to 90, you see that little green green line. We want it to be exact, straight. So again, see this little green line, it shows that it is 50. You should see that green line. You can also turn your auto mode on. The height is 113. Escape. Now you can connect. If you see this triangle, it is midpoint. I want to connect end to end. If you don't want to mix up, you can check off your midpoint. End to other end. Done. You can do the same thing on the other side. I want to teach you using mirror command. Mirror command is up there here, or you can type mirror. It comes. Select the object that you want to mirror. This part and this part. I want to mirror and this one. So I select this one and this one. Enter. Specify first point. First point is this point. Specify the end point. End point is midpoint. I'm going to turn this on. Done. And here you don't want to erase source object, so press no, so you have. And now you can trim this part, this one. So you can press trim, select the object to trim, or you can trim one by one, and this, or after pressing trim you can select cutting edge. Cutting edge, select is this one, click enter, and then select the object to trim. It's going to trim all at once. Good luck. This is part 1.